Okay, today is Tuesday, July 16, 2013, and this is second day in a row that we are having some good rain and overcast. Yesterday was rainy all day, but today it was just on and off, and the sun came out here and there. It was really weird. It was raining really hard earlier, really hard. And then the sun came out so bright that it dries out all the leaves. And oh, you see my porch still wet because it rained really hard earlier. But now, look, we have more dark clouds. I'm so happy. I just wish that it would just stay overcast like this and rain all week long. You know, just until Saturday, and then I'll be fine with it. Look, I love overcast day. See, everything is all green. Those are the neighbors. Ooh, look up here. Very nice and green. See that? See the clouds? I'm debating. Oh, look at the birds up there. I am debating, should I be heading to Home Depot and PetSmart now or later? Because I don't want to get wet. Oh, look at Bella. She's right there. See her right there? Bella! Hi! She's looking. Okay, but I'm going to go email the lawn people that they don't need to come today. Here come the rain. Okay. That's it. I think I'm heading inside. Bye now. I don't think I'll be going to Home Depot either. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. Looks good and green. Oh, the wind is picking up. Look. It's really dark. Okay. Here's my house. Okay. Oh, I need to pick up that branch right there. Oh, here comes the rain. I better run quick. And I did. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Ooh, look. So I guess I won't be going to Home Depot or PetSmart. Oh, look. Ooh, I like it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. My garden is really happy, I'm pretty sure. What? Monkey? Monkey's hungry. It's mommy. No. Come here, baby. Monkey. Come over here. Bella, get in here. Look at her. Hey. Look. It's raining hard. Yeah. You're going to get wet, girl. Look at Buddy. Look at Buddy. You're going to get wet. You're going to get wet. You're going to get really wet. Monkey, come here. Monk. Where is he? Monkey. Over here, baby. Look. It's me. Hi, Monk. Come here, Bella. Bella, come on, hurry up. Come on, get down, girl. Come, Bella. Hurry up. Oh, Bella. Go inside. Come on, go inside. Okay. Oh, look at how hard it's raining. Look what she did. She knocked it down. But she didn't get wet. Okay, well, I don't really want to get wet. Bella, stay in here. I don't want to get wet either. I don't want my camera to get wet. But it's raining hard. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to be quiet and look into the rain. Ooh. Oh, blowing into. Oh, it's here. Look at how wet it is. Look at how wet. It picked up this table. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Ooh. Here we go. Ooh. Buddy, get in here. And yeah, that's a dumbass. They always have loud music. Those, them down there. Okay, that's it.